Welcome to Kids Connect. Today we are going to make a tea roman. What you need is 1 scissors and 6 tea roll. At first you find the correct parts and do them at a place like this. The first step is to make here you need to cut a line, and by the other side too. That one we can use for the legs. Like this. And now you are going to make the arms. The first step is to cut a place like this, and then you do that by the other side too. Like this. Then you push this one here, and then push this one there. Now you have almost everything. Now we need to only do the head. Let that the box is a little bit round, and then cut here 2 holes. And then when we are going to do this one, we first need to cut this part off. Like this. And then we need to cut like this. And then cut here also. And then you cut this part off. After that you have cut that, you can do it like this. Now you have also the head. And now we have 2. Thanks for watching.